understood that this is a very basic confusion most of guys having in this, basically particularly in this industry, in this our country, in India. So job satisfaction is very less. Okay, so yeah, that's the valid reason actually. So people should do such a job which they actually enjoy. Okay, and yeah, there is normally lots of liabilities we normally have. If you are married, then you are having your family, your children and all. But if you are a single, then definitely you should go with some kind of a job. If you're having time, at least you can switch some kind of a job which you feel like, which you feel like interesting, or you enjoy that kind of a job. So better to shift somewhere where you feel like passionate and interested. Okay.
Exactly.
So yeah, so you have decided only to enter in market research, because see, every industry, because I also belong from power, so I also like power sector. All power sector itself is a huge sector. Okay, it's a ocean, itself industry, and there are lots of learnings in power sector and all these things. I personally like power sector, but what I through my if I went through my career profile and perspectives, then I intentionally opt for this UPS power management course, and then I intentionally my strategy, you can say my strategy was to enter in market research, but the domain in power, but the domain in energy. So I can understand the consulting part or the market research part of power industry or energy industry. Okay, so that was my
Okay.
I at that time during my MBA, during my like BTech also, I wanted to enter in power, power sector, and that also in consulting domain, consulting industry. So that's why strategically this worked, luckily. so so yeah, I'm happy with my job and all these things. So that is why I'm continuing, and now I started my, after having 4 or 5 years experience, now I started my own firm, and market research universe, and also started my own training courses like in market research. Okay, so we basically provide two courses. First is market research practical training program, MRPTP. Another is FPMR, which is fellow program in market research. Both the program is, you can say, is the first one of a kind of a program in India. So we are the pioneer of this, providing this kind of a program, so much practical oriented. Okay, so if you are expecting that you wanted to shift in market research, okay, then you are welcome. Okay, so here you will get a practical kind of training. I will teach you, I will guide you through through work, live project work. Okay, once you join any market research company now, or any consulting company or big four company, what you have to do actually, what is the work profile, the real picture will give you exposures on the real picture of this industrial work and all these things. How to make a report, market research report, how to do market research, how to do secondary research, how to do primary research, and how to make market estimations and all. And for you, I'll suggest you to continue with your power sector. Okay, if you are not liking, so they see, every job is good. Okay, every job
Okay.
is good, in power sector, in chemical sector, in every industry is good, but you have to understand how you feeling, whether that the job is good for you or not. That is important, whether you are feeling happy or not. So you should feel happy, you should enjoy your job. So if you are feeling like now you're feeling monotonous or boring, then yeah, definitely you can shift in market research. Here I will I just wanted to inform you, this industry is not at all a monotonous or boring industry. Here the totally different, the opposite. Yeah, every day you have to face a new challenge. Every day you have to research something new, and lots of knowledge you will have to gain, you will gonna gain in this industry. Okay, so this is the reason that this industry is always a evergreen industry. In marketing, I have written an article also. You can go to my website, and I mean in LinkedIn also I have published that. So market research is the evergreen industry. So always will be there, but research will be always there. Without research, over the period, nothing gonna be happen. Okay, because market research, what is the need of market research? Because market research gonna help entrepreneurs, business persons, any business decision maker or any manager to risk the business, to minimize the business risk, okay, and maximize the return on investment, okay, whether ROI. Okay, so it is nothing but to understand whether the market is going to down the line 5 years, down the line 10 years, what's going to happen with this particular market. If you wanted to start your business, or if you are a manager in a company, or decision maker in a company, or a marketing director and all, so you need to understand what's going to happen with this market down the line 5 years. Okay, then only you understand whether it is a lucrative business or not, whether I'm gonna get revenue from this business or not. So this market research can help you to understand all these perspectives and all these things. Yeah, that is perspectives. That's the perspectives of if you are an entrepreneur, if you are a business decision maker and all. For your perspective, if you want to start your career or journey in this industry, then for you there are also lots and lots of career scopes. You can start your career as a research associate, then research analyst, then senior research analyst, then manager, research manager, and then you can easily, after 2-3 years experience of these market research companies or experiences, then you can easily enter in the big 4 companies. So this market research is nothing but the gateway of your big 4 companies, you can say. Okay, if you are not directly getting chance in the big 4 like EY, PwC and Deloitte and all the big 4 companies, then this is actually a gateway. Market research work and all this is a gateway. Here you gotta get chance to this understanding the work culture, understanding how to do market research, how to do secondary, primary research and all these things, so that you can at least getting some skill, and you become a pro market researcher or consultant, business consultant. Then you can easily get your job in any big 4 company and make your life settle. This is all for your case, the advantage is you are no more by pressure. Okay,
Yeah,
you are
exactly.
already experienced, and this experience gonna help you in this consulting world. Okay, because in consulting work, it is not only, it is a combination, the best combination of the consulting world to survive is to getting technical skill as well as management skill. So it's if you're having technical skill and a management skill, then this is the best suitable career option in market research and business consulting. So as you already having a technical skills in power sector, power domain and all these things, that for my case, personal experience, I benefited a lot with my technical skills, my BTech and then PGDC and then power management. That is why I started my career in energy domain and all this. So I can easily understand at that time now, as compared to my other colleagues like who background is like commerce and all, they are not able to cope up the technical parts easily. On the other hand, I easily can cope up that technical part. So this is very important to understand the technical part very closely. Then only you can make the strategy, what's going to happen with that particular industry and all these things. That is your advantage.
Exactly.
Yeah. So see, it is so difficult for me to give a direct, suggestion because I am not a kind of a person who can directly give you a suggestion that you have to follow this and you can follow this without any confusion. Is not like, but yeah, I can guide you. Okay, I can guide you what
that is all I need
normally
actually.
happen in this industry. So you already having experience in power sector. So if you wanted to continue with your career with powers, easily settle down and salary hike will be there. So in core sector, in core industry like in the mechanical and electrical and all this core industry, civil, the hike is so much lesser as compared to IT and the market research consulting and all these things.
That's
so
the
there you will
biggest
get
reason.
a little bit hike, 5%, 10%. In this industry, you will get a larger hike, like 20%, 25% hike and all these things. And if you shift If you shift any other company, then you will directly get 25, more than 25% hike. So that is the advantage. And also, so if you wanted to continue that, it's okay. Now you wanted to continue, you wanted to shoot in the market research. Then what happened for your case? Initially, you can continue. If you are
Okay.
directly getting chance, you can. What I will suggest you to go for the interview of the big fours like UI, PwC, and Deloitte and all this.
Okay.
They having their power domain experts. They normally
Okay.
having that kind of vacancies like power experts
Yeah.
or
They.
energy
Yeah.
experts.
They.
I wanted to suggest you to first, your first option will be like, first priority should be like, go consulting firm. If you wanted to enter in consulting or marketing industry, then just
Okay.
go ahead with the the department of this consulting firm where they normally looking for the technical consultants.
Okay.
They normally look the technical consultants, because you can easily become
Yeah.
a good technical consultant because your all background is technical. Okay, you are good in regulations part of power sector, right? The
Yeah.
commission, the
Yep.
regulation part, and all that. So you can
Exactly.
go ahead with that. Okay, the regulation part and all the financial parts of the power sector and all these things. So you can go ahead on that particular sector or particular work with this big four company or consulting company, or what you got. The second option, second priority should be like, go ahead with this. If you're not getting chance with the large, I mean, a big four companies, then you can go ahead with those. At least you can start your career in this industry by starting your job with this, in this uh, tier 2 or tier. There are lots of market research companies in
Yeah.
Pune and Delhi. So I'm not going to name any company. So there are a lot of market research companies. Okay, so you can go ahead with this market research company. Just as a like initial stage, you can start. Okay, so
Okay.
after getting lots of getting an experience, like 1 year, 2 year, 3 year experience, then you become skilled, market researcher and consultant, business consultant, and all this, and then you can go ahead. I mean, you can easily get interview calls from these big four companies and all these things. And even
Okay.
at that time, you will can easily crack those interview, because you to crack the interview, what you need is a basic understanding of market research, basic understanding of business consulting, and all, and also very important is your domain expertise, because all these firms, all these BWC and all these consulting big four consulting companies are basically they're looking for the techno-commercial perspectives. Here you have to understand techno-commercial. Now, techno-commercial mean, if you are having a graduation of background of BTech and MBA, then it will be best. And also, if you
Okay.
are a BTech and then CA and all these things, then it will be the best. Okay, so
Okay.
yeah, so you are already having BTech and MBA background, then all these things. Then I will suggest you to go with the big four, but the technical perspective, technical consultant, and all these things. So I hope you understand. You can start. You can
Yeah.
start.
Yeah.
For that case, what happened, if you're having a, if you are still having a good amount of salary and all, if you are getting in this industry, they'll sometimes what happened, they will treat you not a fresher, but treat you like a research associate level or analyst level or senior analyst level. You can join, and your intention should be like so positive. It's not like
Okay.
to continue with that 2-tier or 3-tier market research company, but to get experiences, because
Okay.
in a large companies like big four companies, their system is so large, the value chain is so large. So what you working in a part of this system, so you're not get that
Okay.
much exposures,
That much
all over
exposure.
exposure. Okay,
Okay.
so here
Got
in
it.
small companies, small firms, what you're gonna get is like, you're gonna get lots of exposures, the whole value chain exposures. Now, how
Yeah.
the other departments work, like in your department, market research department, you will get understand, but also as well as at the same time, you will get to understand how the marketing department work, how the sales department work, how the other department work. So that's gonna help
Okay.
you a lot. So you'll get lots of exposures. So that's gonna help you to become a really pro marketer, a pro consultant, and all these things. And you wanted to become a good consultant, then you need to be like jack of all trade, master of none. So it's not like that. Now
Okay.
you have to be expert, but
Got it.
some point of extent, jack of all trade, master of none, gonna help if you want to become a consultant. wanted to become an advisor, good advisor, because advisor को क्या होता है, consultant को क्या होता है ना, सब चीजों को knowledge होना चाहिए. So that is enough. So in this sector you will get understand. If you want to do this start your small firms, then what gonna have, you should be so positive, and it will be so, it should be so long term goal oriented person. Now after 2 years 3 years, what gonna happen, 2 years 3 years, then you should be so positive that after 3 years I gonna start applying the big 4 companies and all these things. Okay, then you can easily, do that, you can easily settle your life. And see, whether you are going to join in this industry also, na, here one thing is, I can give you a kind of a guarantee that you will never feel boring, but you will feel so much pressurized. So here surviving is so much pressure, so much hectic schedule you have to manage and all these things. And on the other hand, your sector, in core sector, basically you don't have that much busy schedule and all this. It's a kind of a person who likes challenges, okay, and who likes to do something from your hand, something innovative. If you are so much positive person, not at all a lazy, but also a active. But here also lazy person is also intellectual persons. Most of the lazy persons normally become at the end of the day they are intellectual persons, because most of the lazy person is what they do is they think a lot. So that helps that propagate them to become intellectual persons. And all the active persons are also very is needed in our society. Active person is also needed, lazy person is also needed. Yeah, so every person having their own their individual contributions. So for your case, what I understood going through this little bit short span of time, you are a very positive kind of a person and a very active kind of a person, then you can easily survive in this industry. Okay. Yeah. So yeah. Okay. So I hope you understand any